Welcome! Now I can show you how to show or how to hide headgear on Wukong game. So why we should change this feature? So this is purely cosmetic, of course. So if you want to see your character's face, or if you have a headgear that doesn't fit the look you are going for, so you might want to turn this feature off. And to do that, first open settings. Then in settings, here you have left panel. On the left panel, choose gameplay. Then scroll down and find here show headgear. You can enable it or disable. And as you can see here, we have description of this feature. When turned off, headgear worn by the player will not be displayed during gameplay. And to save settings, just click escape twice and continue the game. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!